Dell here, and we're looking around for a place to install a shelf, and I just noticed that the area up here is solid here and it's solid there, so we could possibly go like that, or maybe like this. See the efficiency of this tool in combination with the other one. Again, just a cordless drill with a tungsten pilot drill, and both of them are hex heads. And the hex head is chucked in here, so it's nice and firm. Taking it out, and so forth. And this I can't say enough about this one. The Lazy Boy cordless screwdriver, they're calling this.